Hey there, sports enthusiasts and busy parents. If you're using Teamsnap to manage your team's schedule and want to keep everything synced with Google Calendar, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to make this happen in 2025. This integration will save you tons of time and help you stay on top of practices, games, and events without any hassle. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Teamsnap and Google Calendar accounts set up. Open the Teamsnap app on your phone or log in on your computer. Once you're in, head over to the Settings menu. It's usually represented by a gear icon in the top right corner. Look for the Integrations or Calendar Sync option. This is where the magic begins. Next, select Google Calendar from the list of available integrations. You'll be prompted to sign in with your Google account. Go ahead and do that, making sure to grant the necessary permissions for Teamsnap to access your calendar. Don't worry, it's secure. Now, choose which calendars you want to sync. Teamsnap might let you pick specific ones, like your main schedule or just events for a particular team. If you're using the 2025 update, you might see new options for two-way syncing, which means changes in one calendar update the other automatically. Super cool. After selecting your preferences, hit the Save or Sync Now button. Give it a minute to process, and then open your Google Calendar to verify. You should see all your Teamsnap events popping up. If something's missing, double-check your settings or try refreshing. One quick tip. If you run into any issues, like duplicate events, go back to Teamsnap settings and adjust the sync frequency or event types. This feature is a game changer for 2025, with improved reliability and faster updates. There you have it. Syncing Teamsnap with Google Calendar is easier than ever. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Stay organized and keep that team spirit high. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.